Is your Apple CarPlay acting up in your Honda Fit? Let's get your connection back to normal in 2 minutes. Over 80% of CarPlay glitches are caused by simple cable or software handshake failures. We need to rule out the basics before diving into the infotainment settings. Start by inspecting your cable and the USB port for any blockages or damage. If the hardware is fine, refresh the software handshake between the head unit and your phone. Sometimes iOS screen time settings can accidentally disable CarPlay access entirely. Most issues are solved at home, but constant disconnects might point to a failing head unit. As you can see, the data cable is almost always the primary culprit for connection drops. Only perform a factory reset as a last resort, as it will delete all your custom settings. Keep an MFI certified cable in your glove box to test connections on the fly. Remember, if the system works with one cable but not another, it is almost certainly a cable issue. If these steps didn't fix it, you might need a professional firmware update. Thanks for watching.